Good evening. Tomorrow, there will be a competency hearing for an 80-year-old Sioux Falls man charged in a cold case murder investigation.
Elgene Vossen was charged last summer in the 1974 stabbing death of a Wilmer, Minnesota woman after new DNA evidence linked him to the brutal crime. But now his attorney says his client is mentally unfit to go to trial. 80-year-old Elgene Vossen was charged last summer in the 1974 stabbing death of Mabel Herman. Since then, Vossen has had many delays in his court proceedings due to his declining health. In fact, he's been allowed to stay with a relative in Iowa so he can receive proper medical care while he awaits his trial. But tomorrow, Vossen will have to be in court for his competency hearing.
Generally, when we're talking about competency, we're talking about mental illness in the form of schizophrenia or something of that nature. In Mr. Vossen's case, what we're talking about is an organic condition, whether it's Alzheimer's or dementia, that simply prevents him from communicating competently with his attorney.
Kent Marshall says that's crucial in any case.
He has to be able to help his attorney prepare his defense. He has to be able to understand what it is that's happening. And it's my position that he's not competent to do that, and that taking him to trial would be wrong, would be a miscarriage of justice.
Vossen was arrested last summer at his home in Sioux Falls after the Wilmer Police Department formed a cold case unit and found new DNA evidence allegedly tying him to the murder. Court papers say Herman was stabbed 38 times.
Officers poured through literally hundreds and hundreds of pages of reports, photographs, actually retrieved the physical evidence that we still had in storage, the clothing and some other items from the crime scene, and went through that, and they put a lot of time and work into it.
Investigators are hoping Vossen's case will go to trial.
We've got some strong evidence, we believe, that really points to him being the perpetrator here. Some overwhelming evidence, I would say.
And a number of psychologists who examined Vossen will testify tomorrow on behalf of both the state and the defense. Vossen's competency hearing is scheduled for 1 o'clock in Candiota County Court.